Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today I'm going to discuss one very interesting and very important concept of BGP protocol, something which we are always using in production network. BGP best path, AS path, multipath, relax command. This is hidden command of BGP. But before running this command, let's understand this real-time scenario. As you can see in my topology, there are two data center. One data center is in Mumbai DC, and one is Bangalore DC, right? Both the data centers have same service. The service can be anything. It can be internet service, your company application, IPv4 subnet, IPv6 subnet. In my case, I have IPv4 subnet, right? Same IPv4 subnet in both DC. Mumbai DC and Bangalore DC. You can see 10.1.1.0/24. We have server 1 and server 2, and both are using same IP address. Then I have some branches. One branch is in Ahmedabad, one branch is in Chennai, and one branch is in Hyderabad. You know, Ahmedabad branch is near to Mumbai data center, right? So all the user from Ahmedabad should access Mumbai DC, right? If they need to work on the server or need to work on the application which is hosted on the server, then they can access Mumbai data center because Mumbai data center is near to Ahmedabad. Similarly, Chennai users should prefer Bangalore data center, should access Bangalore data center, and Hyderabad is in between, right? The distance from Hyderabad branch to Mumbai DC and Bangalore DC is almost same, right? Approximately same. So what we want Hyderabad should perform load balancing, right? These users should access both the data center, sometime Mumbai data center, sometime Bangalore data center. Some users are working on Bangalore data center, this server 2, some are working on Mumbai DC, right? So load balancing. And for the routing, dynamic routing, we are running BGP routing protocol. Actually, you can see the public IP address on all the WAN ports, right? On all the ports. And after that, I have VPN. We have full mesh topology. All the sites, branches, and DCs have a VPN with each other. And my subnet, VPN subnet is 172.16.1.0/24. If I will talk about the IP address on VPN interface of R1, it is going to be .1, right? Let's suppose tunnel 1. Tunnel 1 of R1 is using IP .1, 172.16.1.1. R2 is using .2, here .3, here .4, and here .5, right? So this is my subnet, IPv4 subnet over VPN. And after that, we are running BGP protocol. What I want, Ahmedabad router, this router should prefer Mumbai DC. This side should, Chennai router should prefer Bangalore DC. I will not talk about these two preference in this video. In any another video, we'll talk about this, like by using BGP attributes, how you can prefer one data center over another data center. Today, I am interested to discuss configuration of R4, because R4 should perform load balancing, should install both the route, right? Both next hop or both DC R1 and R2. But for now, if I will access PC3, and if I am going to ping, let's say the server, DC server 100.1, not 100, 10.1.1.100, then you can see ping is working, reachability is there. And if I am going to trace 10.1.1.100, then you can see my traffic is first hitting to the gateway 192.168.3.1 is the IP address of R4G0/1, the gateway IP address. After that, my traffic is going to 172.16.1.1, the VPN IP address of R1, right? Traffic is going to R1 and then to the PC. Okay, every time traffic is going to Mumbai data center only, right? So it is like Mumbai data center is the primary data center, and if Mumbai data center will fail, it will start forwarding traffic to Bangalore DC. If I will access R4 and if I will show the routing table, you can see in the routing table there is only one path. So IP route BGP. So 10.1.1.0/24 is reachable via, you can see R1. 172.16.1.1 R1. And if I will show you the BGP table, so IP BGP, in BGP you can see 10.1.1.0/24 has two next hop, right? It is receiving this prefix, this LAN prefix from two neighbor, 172.16.1.1 and 172.16.1.2, right? Both are their BGP neighbor and it is learning prefix from both the neighbor, but it is preferring one, this neighbor. Many network engineers can perform load balancing if the ES number or ES path with this route is identical, right? Like in DC1 and DC2, if we are using the same ES number, you can perform the load balancing here. But my ES number is not same over here. ES number in Mumbai DC is 100, ES number in Bangalore DC is 200. If I will show you the neighborship, so IP BGP summary, you can see 172.16.1.1 remote ES is 100 and 172.16.1.2 remote ES is 200. ES number or ES path is not identical, it's different, right? Because of this, if you will check BGP table, right, first understand why this router number 4 is not performing load balancing. Praphul, maximum path by default BGP does not support load balancing. You need to change maximum path. By default maximum path is configured as 1. I have already configured 2 or 10, I think so. IP protocol, you can see maximum path is, this is not for BGP. For BGP you can see maximum path is 10. Maximum path is 10. Still it is not performing load balancing. You have seen this, right? Here we need to run command BGP best path, ES path, multipath, relax. That is hidden command of BGP. When you will run this command, when the ES path of routes is not identical, when the ES path is different. Like if I will open this prefix in BGP table in detail, so IP BGP and 10.1.1.0, you can see only one path is the best, right? This is the best path and this is not the best path. If you will check the attributes, almost all attributes look similar. Metric value is 0, metric value is 0, local preference value is 100, local preference value is 100, wait value is 100, wait value is 100. Both are valid prefix, both are external prefixes, right? But one is best, one is not best. And if you will check the ES path attribute, so you can see, so IP BGP, right here, when so 172.16.1.1 is advertising, ES path is 100. When 172.16.1.2 is advertising, then ES path is 2. Even ES path attribute is same. Both update message has only one ES path, but it is not identical. It's different, not identical. So when ES path is not identical, you need to run this hidden command of BGP. Otherwise, your router will not perform load balancing. Here you can see maximum path 10 is already configured, but still it is not performing load balancing. Right? For both the BGP, iBGP and eBGP, maximum path is configured as 10, but in the routing table there is only one path. So route BGP via router 1 via Mumbai DC. If Mumbai DC bill goes down, then definitely will prefer Bangalore DC, but I want load balancing. So here you have to run this hidden command. Here you have to run this hidden command, router BGP, and what is the ES number? Let me check. Do so IP protocol BGP ES number 2. Okay, great. Router BGP ES number 2, and here say BGP best path and then ES path. Now you can see the command is not available. ES path command is not available, so you have to manually type. This is hidden command, ES path, and only network engineers can understand it. If you are working in the production, you can understand, because you must have encountered these kinds of scenario. Yesterday only I was working in the same topology in the production, right? And today I thought to make one video on it because I thought I found it interesting, right, and important as well. Okay, so sometime whenever I am working on the legacy WAN and found something interesting, I always prefer to share with you guys, right? This is my personal experience. It can help other to learn the same thing, right? And they can fix it. Same thing was happening in one side. Router was not performing load balancing before me. One another engineer was working on it, right? But he couldn't solve the issue, like he couldn't perform the load balancing, right? Then someone called me, and finally I used this command there. BGP best path, ES path, and multi path, and relax this command, right? And when I use this command, after that, it has started performing load balancing. Now if you will check, so IP BGP, right? Still you can see only one path is best. Now you have to clear BGP, right? Hard clear. Even soft clear will not work. Yesterday I first used soft clear command, it didn't work, right? Then I clear BGP, fully BGP, like the TCP. You know the soft means what? Soft means it will refresh the BGP without breaking the TCP connection, and hard is going to break everything, neighborship, TCP, all. Now, so clear IP BGP star. Let me try with soft once here in the simulation, if it can work. And now so IP BGP, and now you can see it has started working, right? So in simulation in EVNG, soft will also work. In the production I have seen it was not working. Great. Now you can see both path is best path, so IP BGP and 10.1.1.0. now you can see best and multipath oldest, both are best. Now it is router is going to install both route in the routing table, so IP route BGP, you can see for 10.1.1.0/24, both the next hop are installed. And now from the PC, if you are going to ping or trace route, you will find both the path, right? Or ping 100.1.1.100 ping is working. And trace route, we are lucky, every time we are getting R1 only, right? Traffic is going to Mumbai DC only, but this is issue of simulation, right? Maybe if you are going to trace route with another PC, then traffic will go to Bangalore DC. If two path is installed in the routing table of R4, that means it is performing load balancing, right? So this was one very interesting concept of BGP. Only few people know this. Okay, now that's all for today, guys. If you have learned something from this video, please hit on like button. If you are new on the channel, not subscribe this channel till now, please subscribe this channel. You can also enable the bell icon if you want notification whenever I am uploading new video. And if you want to master the BGP protocol, not only BGP protocol, complete enterprise network, all routing protocols, switching protocols, and advanced protocols which we are using running in the modern enterprise network, then guys must check my CCNA plus CCNP or CCNA to CCIE combo course once. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.